Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Civic key battery. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, typically taking just a few minutes from start to finish. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side of the casing. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with relative ease. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take note of how the old CR2032 battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, including locking and unlocking your car doors, and ensuring the panic button works. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.